Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. Tutorial 3 we completed till 5th problem. The next sixth problem is what? Find triple integral over v dz dy dx divided by root of 1 minus x square y square z square, where v is the region of space bounded by coordinate planes and sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 and contain positive octant. Positive octant means what's maybe first octant. In 3 dimension, if you take, suppose this is, this line is x axis, this y is means what, vertical line is z axis means what, in between if you are taking coordinate system choosing, this is z axis, this is what, x axis, this is y axis means what, you will get this what, top 4 parts, down 4 parts you will get, totally 8 parts you will get. So octant means what, 8 parts, first octant means what, 1 by 8 part. So if with this what you will have actually x, this is z axis, so you may have this one sector part like this you will have. So first octant means what, all are positive, x is positive, y is positive, z is positive. Now what I will do, first I will take, suppose this is z axis, this is x axis, this is y axis I am taking. Now anyway, the octant means what, the sphere means what, maybe ball shape like this, maybe this sector part will be one quadrant will have 1 by 8 part. So if I come like this means what, if I touch like this, what you will get, maybe you will have vertical line, you will have like some ball like this. Now from here to if I go this means what, z is equal to 0, I will touch the sphere, touch the sphere, touch the sphere. So limits what I will get, z is equal to 0, z is equal to root of 1 minus x square y square. Okay, once if I fix that means what, I want to the plane part. So z axis part over then xy plane. If I take xy plane means what? So I am considering only first octant means what, this 1/4 of this part only, quarter area only will come. Now here we can draw either x constant or y constant. Already I told you, if you draw x constant means what, x is constant, y is what, in terms of constants you will get, in terms of x you will get. Now on xy plane z is equal to 0, this equation is what, x square plus y square is equal to 1. Now if you draw an x constant, x travel from where to where, x starting here traveling up to here, so this is what, 1, 0. So x is traveling from where, 0 to 1, this is the last limit. Then y is traveling from where to where, y is starting here, going, touching circle, touching circle, touching circle, touching circle, touching circle. So here y value is equal to what, root of 1 minus x square. So 0 to y is equal to root of x square. So this is the first limit, this second limit, third limit. Now limits are available, everything over, then write x limit 0 to 1. If you have, this is positive octant means no need to multiply by 8, x is equal to 0. Suppose if they are not mentioned, or the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is non-mentioning positive octant means what, you have to take 8 into multiply by 8. So here no need to multiply by 8, already is mentioning, you can find the only positive octant. So 1 by 8 part if I find out is enough, my job is over. So x is 0 to 1, y is what, if you confuse better you can write 0 to root of 1 minus x, z is what, root of 1 minus x square y square. So these limits are z, you can do with respect to z. Not only that, in terms of xy means don't do x and y, already I told you. So this is dz by root of z square. Next what you do with respect to y, with respect to x. These are the limits actually, don't confuse. X is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to 0 to z is equal to 0 to z is equal to root of 1 minus x square minus y square. Now what I will do with respect to z, I am integrating. With respect to z, I am integrating this whole thing I will as a constant. This you can write as a square minus z square like this. So this I want to prepare. Dz by this I will be a root of 1 minus x square y square whole square. I have no right to change the problem, but I can do the magic in mathematics. So root whole square means nothing but same fellow only, minus z square. Now it's how it is appears actually. This is like this full branch is a square. So a square minus z square. A square minus z square means what is the formula familiar? 1 by root of a square minus z square means what will get? Sin inverse of x by a. So that is z by a. 0 to 1, 0 to root of 1 minus x square. What you will get? Sorry, this is you can write dy dx. This what you will get? Sin inverse of, here who is sin inverse of x? Who is x here? Z by a. A is what? 1 by root of. Dy dx. Apply upper limit. Now who will come upper limit here? Upper limit is what? If you apply in place of z root of 1 minus x square y square, root of 1 minus x square y square divided by root of 1 minus x square y square get cancelled. So sin inverse 1. Sin inverse 1 is what? Pi by 2. So upper limit will give 0 to 1, 0 to root of sin inverse 1, that is pi by 2. Lower limit vanish. Balance is what? D by dx. This pi by 2 I am taking outside. 0 to 1, 0 to root of 1 minus x square dy dx. Again integrate d by integration y, pi by 2, 0 to 1 y, 0 to root of 1 minus x square dx. Now apply limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Pi by 2, 0 to 1. This become what? Root of 1 minus x square dx. Already I told you formulas. Root of a square minus x square means what? X by 2 into same fellow. Then a square plus means plus a square by 2. Minus of a square means minus a square by 2. So plus a square by 2. Sin, this if it is down means what you will get? Sin inverse x. Limits is what? 0 to 1. See, if you apply this upper limit, 1 minus 1 is 0, waste. Lower limit is what? If your approximate is 0 and 0. So both limits are waste. Scratch with pencil, just you can strike, you can write. So what is that balance term? 1 by 2 sin inverse x. There only upper limit only stands. So pi by 2, again 1 by 2, sin inverse x is what you will get? Another pi by 2. So this is pi square by 8. This is the problem. Any problem?